Alright, this is an exhaust comparison for an 04 RX8, just different colors. This one is automatic, this one's manual, stock exhaust, $180 eBay exhaust, which sounds fucking phenomenal. So, cold start on the blue RX8. Yeah. Sounds okay, I guess. Sounds alright under load, but red one sounds a lot better. Yeah. Alright, and here is my red one with this little eBay fucking cheap ass exhaust, but it sounds amazing. No performance, nothing. I mean, the throttle response seems a little bit better, but other than that, really don't see a difference. So she's already warmed up, but you'll instantly notice a difference of the sound. So alright, a lot throatier, no drone, no nothing while you're in it. Sounds like a fucking helicopter or whatever. Alright, so she's already warmed up, so we're gonna give her a little bit of gas. So alright, just play around with the throttle real quick. Go higher. Alright, that's the red one. Now we're going to do the same thing for the blue one with the stock exhaust system. She's been warmed up. She had enough time to be warmed up, so let's hear this bad boy. Yeah. Sounds cute. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to try to get a shot under this one for you. See, so you can see the pipe and whatnot. There she is. Right there. Right there. $180. Sounds amazing. Alright. There she goes, popping and buzzing. Big fucking fart cannon looking thing in the back. So that's it. I'm gonna get some in-car footage and some flybys for you. Alright, it's going. You on?
Yeah.